Let's talk train safety, specifically surviving a crash. First things first, stay calm. Panic won't help. Secure yourself by bracing. Put your feet flat on the floor and your head down. If there's an impact, try to protect your head and neck. Next, locate the nearest exit. Know your surroundings. In case of a fire, avoid smoke by staying low and covering your nose and mouth. If you can, use a cloth as a filter. Wait for the train to stop before attempting to evacuate. Once it's safe, follow the emergency lights and signs to find an exit. Help others if you can, but prioritize your own safety first. Finally, once you're out, move away from the tracks and wait for emergency services. Remember, staying calm and aware can save your life. That's your 60-second survival guide. Safe travels, everyone.